The maiden edition of the Multinational Joint Military Exercise Pragati 2026, underway at Umroi in Meghalaya since the 20th of May, has gathered more than 400 military personnel from 12 friendly nations in a concerted effort to bolster regional peace, security and defense cooperation. Organized in the spirit of equality, friendship and mutual respect, the exercise has emerged as a significant platform for participating armies to enhance interoperability, exchange operational expertise, and undertake coordinated training in a multinational setting. A major highlight of the exercise has been the integration of personnel from all participating countries into cohesive, mixed teams for joint operations and tactical drills. Over the past 3 days, troops have been engaged in intensive training across semi-mountainous and jungle terrain, carrying out rockcraft, ambush and counter-ambush operations, slithering, jungle lane shooting and bus intervention exercises. Sniper and AK-203 firing competitions were also conducted to improve combat proficiency, operational confidence and professional synergy among the contingents. Besides tactical engagements, the exercise has also laid emphasis on strengthening camaraderie and military bonding through sporting events and informal interactions. Personnel from participating nations took part in basketball, volleyball and tug-of-war competitions, fostering teamwork, mutual trust and esprit de corps. Exercise Pragati 2026 is expected to further deepen military-to-military ties and reinforce the collective resolve of participating nations to address shared security challenges through joint training, mutual learning and professional cooperation.
It's nice. Stop!
ओए शेखर भन्न त गाडी बन्द भन्न भन्न गाडी साइडमा लगा भन्न मान्छे निकाल ड्राइभरलाई मात्र राख गाडी साइड लगा
Remove your barrier. Why are you stopping us? Please remove this. Please remove this.
Stop.
Okay.
We are doing something for you guys.
Where is your warrant? Please show us your warrant first.
I have a warrant.
Please close your.
Speak up. Speak up. Okay, please speak up.
Please.
Gaadi.
No, please let us go. Please, sir.
Gaadi. Full gaadi.
Please don't touch your vehicle. Please, sir. No, please remove the barrier.
Don't do that.
My barrier, please. No, let us go. Let us go. Please, where is your warrant?
No.
Please let us go.
No touch. No.
Please,
Raise your hand. No. Raise your hand.
where is your warrant? No, where is your warrant?
Raise your hand.
Please show your warrant first.
On your knees. Asmado.
Show your
On
warrant
your
first.
knees, please. On your knees.
Ready? Up. Wait, wait, wait.